The deuterium bottleneck in my model. This post suggests a solution to the deuterium bottleneck problem, a key unsolved problem in the creation of all the elements. See the end for other connected problems this model might solve. Here is a simplified explanation of the problem. The Big Bang created protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and electrons created hydrogen, the first element. Proton and a neutron made a deuteron, the nucleus of deuterium. Proton, a neutron, and an electron made deuterium, a stable form of hydrogen. Two deuterium atoms can make a helium atom. Two protons, two neutrons, and two electrons. It's a reasonable scenario, but there's a problem that physics has not solved. The problem is called the deuterium bottleneck. The deuterium bottleneck is this. Deuterium atom is unstable in the massive temperatures of the Big Bang. The deuterium would be destroyed as quickly as it was made. So how do we solve it? My model, see diagram, shows the solution. The deuteron, or proton and neutron, or nucleus of the deuterium atom, was not unstable. Instead, deuterium was stable enough to last long enough to make helium. To see why, look at the diagram. This shows some of the differences of my model from the current one. Step 1. The photon singularity made electron-positron pairs, light makes mass, in the Big Bang, which created our universe of space-time. Step 2. The electrons and positrons made protons. Protons in my model are 2 positrons and 1 electron, which equals a charge of exactly 1. This is the only time in the history of the universe when protons can be made. Step 3. The combination of 1 proton and 1 electron in my model make a neutron. Charge equals 2 positrons plus 2 electrons equals 0 charge. Note that in beta minus decay, a neutron breaks down to a proton, electron, and anti-neutrino. Step 4. The proton and neutron make a deuteron, the nucleus of the deuterium atom. Here is where the deuteron may be stable enough to solve the deuterium bottleneck. The drawing shows a proton on the left and a neutron on the right, but remember the neutron is just a proton plus electron. Therefore, the drawing really shows 2 protons sharing the electron taken from the neutron. This electron is like glue that holds the 2 protons together to make a stable deuteron and a stable nucleus for deuterium. Further, 2 deuterium atoms combined are a helium atom. This solves the deuterium bottleneck problem. This model also may solve the following. Missing antimatter problem. Why the charge of a massive proton is exactly equal to a tiny electron. Why beta minus decay happens, and more. Some ask about quarks. They may not be needed in my model. Thanks for reading.